Alright, mashallah, this is the pear dessert that I got from the Mennonite cookbook. So, what I really find intriguing about this is I feel it's going to come out very savory, almost cobbler-like. And we have some water, pears, sprinkle of nutmeg, and then the dough crumbles. I use duck tallow instead of shortening. And then it has organic non-GMO cane sugar, organic non-GMO all-purpose white flour, some really good Salt Lake City salt, and I think, yeah, I can't remember. I think that's everything, yeah. So pretty simple ingredients. I'll put the recipe in the description box below. We're going to pop this bad boy in the oven, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. I'm going to top it with whipped cream, inshallah. Okay, so this is the pear dessert when it's fully caramelized, and wow, I mean, it really came out nice. I did, obviously, when I poured the water in, some of the sugar got on the sides there, and when sugar heats up, it crusts like that. But what's most important is that's just a little bit, and that's quite natural when you're caramelizing. So everything looks well put together. I'll scoop it up and then I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm gonna put a scoop of whipped cream on this when I eat it. But wow, I tasted it. This recipe is so simple, yet the way the flavors just mix together, it almost tastes like it has more to it, but maybe that's just making food with love. So wow, you could also serve this with some vanilla bean ice cream, some butter pecan ice cream, I'd argue, but subhanAllah, whipped cream on this is gonna be so good. I really love making desserts. Man, that's just phenomenal. Alright, I'll put the recipe in the description box. I'm gonna show you what it looks like, obviously, when we scoop it out of the casserole. These are the layers, okay? So, fantastic, absolutely fantastic. I'll have to keep this recipe in mind. I like that it didn't have any unexpected ingredients, but simplicity, sometimes it's just phenomenal. Very rustic, I'd argue. I hope you enjoy. Okay, now here's what it looks like with whipped cream. I had to show you because, ooh, it's just so good. Yeah, mashallah.